July the 1st and we're going to start a walk at Elterwater. This is a car park, rather busy today. We're not doing a piece to camera today.
Where do we get up there?
Peahen on the roof. It did give it a squawk a second or two ago, but it doesn't seem to want to squawk now. We're part way up the incline out of the way from the car park. First real opportunity to look down the valley. Gorgeous, not much sign of interference of mankind other than perhaps the forest has been planted. Just a quick note, there's only 7 hours on the walk and we come to a flattish bit, and looking in front of us you can see that the mountain in front is slightly covered by cloud. There we are. A few little chickens of different varieties. You can hear one of them giving it the early morning arisal. That's a wrong word. Just having a 2-minute break and taking in the scenery. The weather's reasonable temperature and still, but the sky's overcast. I'm rightly informed by Neil that's Little Langdale Tarn. Again, it'd be lovely scenery if the cloud had lifted a little bit. We're on the tarmac incline, reasonable slope. Sort the men from the boys, possibly. Just pause for 11s, even though it's 20 past 11, and of course you might expect it suddenly decides to start drizzling. The signpost says 1 in 4 or 25% for those more modern people. It doesn't look that steep looking at it, so I can only guess it gets steeper as we go around the bend. We've got to Blee Tarn here. Jeff's just taking a couple of photographs. Derek's wandered off on his own.
Sorry, where are we now? Here. Okay, alright.
Just got some people down on the tarn doing some paddle boarding. Don't know where you can pick them out. There's a few people on the shoreline watching. I hope they're all competent swimmers, given all we've heard in the news of people dying. It's 12:15 and we're just having a pause and admiring the scenery. Fantastic scenery. We're very fortunate to be able to walk in places like this, and you as viewers are very fortunate to be able to watch this video. We just finished lunch, and over lunch mist has come in significantly. Still pretty clear at our level, but another 100 foot up. We're at Great Langdale at the moment, and I'm reliably informed they're the Langdale Pikes. See some signs of life down there. This has been a fantastic walk so far. We're going to walk along the valley, part way up from the absolute bottom of the valley, where you can see the tents all camping. Pretty level for a while. The winter coat's looking a tad matted. They're obviously all content. There's a little chicken pen. As far as I can see, they're all fenced in to keep the fox out. gentle stream flowing, as clear as anything, which you can't probably tell from here. And looking up, nice house over there. That, what a view. We're probably within 800 metres of being back to the car, and we're getting a bit busier with people about. And we're just stood on a bridge over the river, which is bubbling past fine. It's clear. There's people who are swimming in it lower down.